No matter what type of form you're using on your site, abandoned forms hurt your bottom line, leading to lost potential leads and revenue. Luckily, with Gravity Forms, you can easily capture the partial entries, view the information submitted, and, providing you've captured contact information, follow up and re-engage individuals with your business. To get started, go to the Forms menu, select Add-ons, scroll to the Partial Entries add-on, and click Install. Once the add-on has finished installing, click Activate Plugin. Next, go to the form you would like to collect partial entries from. In this video, I'll use a contact form. Hover over Settings and then select Partial Entries from the drop-down menu. Tick the Enable box and customize the warning message to your needs. There may be cases where you only want to save the partial entries if the user has met certain conditions. To do this, tick the box under Conditional Logic that says Enable Condition. You can then set the conditional logic to fit your form requirements. For example, you may want to only save the partial form if the user has entered their email address. When you are done, click on Save Settings and you will be all set to receive partial entry forms. To view any of the partial entries, navigate to your forms, hover over the form you want to access, and click on Entries. Then, to view only the partial entries, simply click on the Partial tab. As you can see, capturing partial form entries is easy with Gravity Forms and the Partial Entries add-on. For more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.